Hello. So we've got the diesel heater under the seat, so that's lovely and warm. So I'm going out in the van in about half an hour, so I mean that'll help getting it defrosted and everything. It's going to be brilliant, isn't it? Yeah. It's going to, in fact I'll shut the That's one of the brilliant features of it is that's going to defrost it. It's going to be brilliant, isn't it? So I'm going to go back and have a coffee. When it's time for me to go away, it means the van's going to be warm. I mean, the thing with these things is you have to use them. It's not good to leave them unused for any length of time, which is a mistake I made last year, but I don't use it that much. I try and switch it on at least once a week. But this is an excellent time for you to use it. By the way, the glow plugs were fixed as well, which was quite convenient. Right, so demonstrate that right now. Jeez. You can feel the power coming away for the heater as you hear it. Why? Oh yes! Let's get the yes! So this is a camper van. It's actually a motorhome, but it's got, obviously it doubles up as a van. And I'm going to pick some stuff up. There's a kitchen there. It's got the gas in the back there and that little cubby hole. Got this battery in there, which I don't have because it's knackered. I need a new leisure battery. There you go, Volkswagen T4. But we can switch it off. I mean, this heater should do the windscreen, I think. Yeah. Oh yes, that's lovely and warm. Oh yes. Oh yes. What a van. Okay now. There it is. What a van. It's cool. Right, thanks for watching. Bye.